Badwam na when you go so I share Adom TV every we do. Some day I will can see him no assembly din Nyame ba Bernard Padbotu aseda kese enkoma game pack games. Yes, game pack games. They be am the catch say we are sending there oye bema na so oni sika uti so jointi so hu. Nti there was onye sika gu bottom weekend no so na ye kɔ no. Ti was onye sika na bema there o ma mo yedu na bibia ekoso ema pick one games from 1 to 36. O de na message pick mu bia na be sikedi. Fa phone na dial star 946 hash star 946 hash na follow prompt no draw na beba so 9 a.m. anope ya e de bakwa be hyehyɛ so na e bot 12 so a esai e de bakwa hyehyɛ so enimre no osia ya sa the last one hyehyɛ so ondi anopa na ya obedi 12 when ni 12 a e den asese de obedi bi ntineje na first kagu botom na watwi nyina no na ewie nso bibia akoso mam anase we mu ene dumekwa wo so masene se me fa okesim na sembrem medin ati Nyame ba Bernard Padbotu ensase yemfie no games e course so Europa League na emu edeye emu so edin AC Milan etra ho ama AS Roma esibirim na kaba kwa wentimi AC Madabraka Bayern Leverkusen yes team of the moment unbeaten in the omakọ obi entimi nhye no na ochiya Kudus West Ham echibirim na kamienu a ona wo se ye be ma wo so dibi e na clear but Liverpool na wan hwe buke mu ntino bibia ebe fine na wo twe wie so Europa League no ebe koso Europe dan we need La Liga or dan EP or dan we need Bundesliga Serie A omunyo mekoso na so yenhwe EP na wotwe wie matches a ebetotodwa na nse bibia akona matches a emu betotodwa na emu odin Chelsea ewo match obi anso ebe hu se bibia bekoso Newcastle any Tottenham Hotspur yes omo and ede bepem so ochina Samsung Brentford any Sheffield United Burnley any Brighton and Wolves Albion and so ede bepem so Manchester City and Luton ede bepem so Nottingham Forest any Wolves Bournemouth any Manchester United match we made odani we ede chekwesi ada Liverpool any Crystal Palace that match we both teams to score but West Ham and Fulham and so at Bepemson Arsenal league leaders omoniabre still league home person moji almost so many Aston Villa and the Pemson Arsenal that Monday no Chelsea and Everton we more and matches ebetodwa EPL no odani we ni editors Spanish La Liga and also ehruye Real Madrid ajisuro hono maboso Basansuna Barcelona so yes dia so ambeso moje La Liga na di omo esi omo sere so interest na fixtures no enso ebepem so na watwi ewie Robertis and Celta Vigo ebepem so Arsenal Atletico de Madrid and Girona ebepem so Valladolid and Getafe ebepem so match we mbedi yipa Real Mallorca and Real Madrid yes the Galacticos ankoyi e Champions League no omo hwe ese dia na watwi ewie ombetom hoanim Samsung Cadiz any FC Barcelona at the Bepem so Las Palmas yes Omoni Sevilla at the Bepem so Granada and Deportivo Alaves at the Bepem so Samsung Atletico Club and Villarreal at the Bepem so Real Sociedad and Almeria at the Bepem so Osasuna and Valencia and at the Bepem so odani weni at the Bundesliga matches no do na betuja Osasuna French League 1 matches no ebiso ebetuja intino na otwe wie dia oyebema game pack yes pick one no e wo so nya bi phone on that dial star 946 hash star 946 hash draws no baso 9 a.m. here de bakoba hyehyɛ so ama so what you say na about 12 a yesa de bakwa hyehyɛ so na news na ba nti no ndi 9 na 12 de no twɛn about 6 yesa de last one be hyehyɛ so de nya wie na news no to aso nti na wo se hu se Adom TV de ode ya na ode asem nti ne bema ne skagu botom na bibia ebe fan yefio ne nda ni fan chance fufuro modani weni editor Ministry of Youth and Sports Mustafa Yusuf honorable ono NM minister edema asoye no na ode ensem do na etudwa se omo edi nyame bi egu akwanu se bia Ghana ye athletes no yem so betima boy home modern no omo the national festival games ebe hyehyɛ so na opache se games we no ebe boa ama etimi on talent se bia Ghana so eba African games Olympic games yes so ye be boy home modern.
Some lessons we've learned a lot from the African Games. Athletics is one of the areas that this country loves so much. So I want to appeal to the founder and the organizers to liaise with the Ghana Athletics Association so that we can include some sports code going forward. At least one or two more sports code will not be bad. At the closing ceremony of the African Games, His Excellency the President directed the Ministry of Youth and Sports to institute a national game, Ghana National Games, And these games are going to start from the grassroots, that's the district level, all the 265 districts. We are going to have competition, sports competitions. Then we select the best to represent our region.
Fusa games to Morocco be man so far Rabat na enra Ghana in the first match to Ghana and Kuya my Zambia for China Sibrim ye boy camp enuma ye team mienu. Yankohwe some highlight in the coy.
Showing why he's so well thought of at such a young age.
Yes, yeah, Ghana Blasters, Abafusa, Omoni, Enra, and the Chipolo of Zambia. A Chian boy can numa ye team mienu. Your next game, the host nation Morocco, and the Bepems Obompire, no Akaya Blasters, no more Fusa anymore. And now be and cause any infrastructure the Ghana Premier League midweek in the matches need to Tuja. Now Enra and Odani when he edited the Kumasi Babayara Sports Stadium, Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Metemba, Etina Babayara. Amamudin to a camion in Swatramai at Chomesi Bromo. Interesting highlight in the coy.
Aqua. Walid Fuseni into the Kotoko box. He finds a Petogbo, and that's the opening goal for Inswat Chairman. They've hit the back of the net, and guess who? It is Manaf Uma, who have silenced the Porcupines here under the lights at the Babayara Sports Stadium. Good work done by Foster Apetogbo, and Manaf opens the scoring for Enswa Chairman. 7 goals this season in 24 games for Manaf. Good ball from Aqua. Look at Neymar's presence of mind to find Foster Apetogbo. First time cross, Dallard missed, and Manaf arrives at the right place at the right time. How Danlad missed is also shocking, but Intim Menu finds Kote, knocks it down. Morrison is struggling to keep it, but he does well to find Intim Menu, who's trying to locate Osebonsu. Aqua makes a mistake. Osebonsu with a cutback. Can Morrison equalize? It is Morrison. Turns around. Still Morrison. Sets up Ado. Ado shoots and does the Kotoko equalizer. Shadrach Ado equalizes for Asante Kotoko. Morrison did well to keep his calm and composure to locate Shadrach Ado. It's 1-1, 40 minutes at the Babayara Sports Stadium. Good cutback from Osebonsu. Now Morrison takes control of the ball. He's trying to beat DU. He's twisting and turning. He can't shoot from here. He sees Ado, and Ado with a first time delivery, he beats Afaju at the near post. Here's Jashi Bote looking for Maida down the right side. Maida sends the left foot across. There's a chance, and it's a second goal. Abdul Rahman scores the second in stoppage time for Inswat Chairman.
Kumase Asante Kotoko Etina Babayara Sports Stadium. Edi into a camino with Timu back on game ni no supporters in Dwe Dano. We full. Now after the game, no assistant coach Adom Kumase Asante Kotoko David Okulu Edin same way to ja.
So there's no pressure on us. We just go back and work hard and try to turn things around. It's unfortunate, and I feel their pain, but they should bear with us. This is football. Sometimes it happens. They should just bear with us and keep supporting us.
There is no pressure on you. When I catch you, David, when I catch you, technical team, no pressure, Damosono, and you feel the agro. Supporters in Wufu. Monstity up. Samsona, I am head coach. I demand Swatramai. I must work no a coach Kotokoda, a Bokotoko soda, or Saba Babaya Renra, a Cheni former team, a Bono, and also we know, say, and on the Tuja.
I say we play all attacking football, and that is the result we had. I mean, at a point, Kotoko came in very strong, and we defended very well. And I think that I have to congratulate my boys. They did well. They did so well. At the time, the team was trying to defend. They didn't relax, even though we considered the equalizer. We kept our shape and made sure that we handled the ball and circulated.
Must work with Nedunka and Amotian, or Bokotoko, a bonus from na yɛhwɛ na wɔtwe wie matches ɛbɛtoto dwa ɛwɔ Ghana Premier League no ɛnyɛ fidi akɔtɔkɔ olusu ɔkɔ away to Dreams FC so elusu yɛ midweek nti emu bɛyɛ den ama Metema Kumase Asante Kotoko yɛhwɛ matches ɛbɛtoto dwa na wɔtwe wie na ɔkyena Accra so folk ɛbɛtena Accra Sports Stadium na ɔne Karela ɛde apem so woda ne wani ɛde kyerɛ kwesiada Theatre of Dreams FC ɛne Krobia Kumase Asante Kotoko Akompak ɛyɛ mediema yes Omole Legon Cities at the Bepem so that then when he edited Nana Fosu Jiabo Park so Becham's United and RTU at the Pem so in Swatamai or Chikotokon and Saint Bono on a Great Olympics at the Bepem so Edaquisia that Nations FC teams back and a team back on also Air Wonders Everton and Che Sports Complex no on a Bofoquatano area Pem so Bofaqua Bibio Modana and yet till some mom home so Ediana Stars Everton and Ajimambedu Sports Stadium and as Ajimambedu Park not on a Heart of Lions South of Lions will be a modern and yet Momba Muhammad Dr. Randy Abbey was so mere winning and as a relegation Obeko Samates Everton Summer Boy non Brecum Chelsea area Pem so Accra Lions any Gold Stars and at the Bepem so game pack pick one games Bema na what we na na you do also nyeska gubotum foul phone na dial star 946# follow prompt numbers near 1 to 36 onye bia o de numbers bia obepeki bia no yes bo unim dia bibi ya besi bo a obon se oti ho a kukuru ban na sika no abegu bottom game pack games pick one games no bibi abekoso o de 9 am the first draw no ebebro ebo no ndu mienu 12 p.m. so a side bako e de bepem so na last one no no sia enumere esa the last one abro when di bako a edian we di bi bema de sika de egu botoma bibi abekoso ha na me de bu ebesi midin edinya me ba Bernard Padibotri health bits etwaso